How to change email ID and username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change your email username on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Play Store and make sure you choose your correct account. Navigate to your profile icon at top right corner. Now from this menu bar, select Settings option. Select the General option and tap on the second option, that is Account and Device Preferences. Now locate the user contact email section and you can tap on your email username. Now you can easily edit your email username and then tap on the save button. Then a verification email will be sent to your Gmail. Open it and you can confirm the changes. And once verified, your email username will be updated. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.